Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers, and this reading will resonate for your sun, moon, and rising signs, also, guys. And these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career circumstance. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Cancer, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards. We have 8 of Wands, 10 of Wands in reverse, and Devil in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, guys, Cancers, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are making a lot of efforts and trying really hard to do something. Maybe you may have certain obsession, some habits, maybe, guys. It may be your energy or your person's energy. So these habits are making you weak, are pulling you down. You are unable to concentrate or unable to handle your situation effectively, guys. So you are making a lot of efforts to overcome these obsessions you have. Maybe some addictions like drinking, smoking, something that is bad for your health and your emotional health also. But you are unable to change. Maybe you need help from people, maybe friends or family. You expect somebody, maybe for some of you. Maybe this person is also trying their best, doing their best to help you, and you are not seeing any changes in the way things are going for you, guys, Cancers. And you feel really weak. You feel maybe for some of you lonely and um, stuck to some circumstance, unable to make a move, change the way things are going in your life. And though your circumstances are something, looks like something difficult and challenging, Cancers, there is a positive change coming towards you, and it is what to say, taking shape very soon, guys. So it may be in this in the form of some changes in this relationship. Maybe this person is helping you out, come out of this addiction, or something is changing in your relationship or in your work. You are moving towards a greater responsibility, some good changes and quick changes. That is what I see. So all these challenges are disappearing very soon, guys, Cancers, and you are going to see hope and happiness in your future. And whatever you were wishing and praying for yourself, maybe you were praying to come out of this difficult circumstance, that is to be granted, guys, and you can be happy for that. So there are quick changes happening at a great speed coming in your life, guys, very soon, Cancers. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Ace of Pentacles, a positive card here, guys. So circumstances are definitely changing, guys. That is what I see. So you need not worry. And for all that you went through, all that difficulty, some challenging circumstances, whatever it was, whatever pain or sadness was there. You are healing from all that, and you are going to feel extremely happy, content, and satisfied today, guys, Cancers. So, in your career circumstances, we have Page of Wands in reverse. So, maybe some news is coming in your work situation, some announcement maybe. For some of you, it may be something something like a change in the place of work, maybe some transfer or some difficult news, maybe some delays, maybe. But for most of you, I see it is a positive change coming. Maybe you are changing your work, getting a promotion. So, some positive news is what I see for y'all, guys, Cancers, and it is a big announcement coming in your work situation. So, that is the reading with these cards, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please be stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Dawn the Golden Hat, duty. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your life, you are someone really responsible and you are a very wise and a very charming person, and you have certain things you need to do today. Maybe it may be in your work or in your relationship, and you are dedicated to whatever you do. But people around you, they may not realize your worth, they may not understand you, but the way you are responsible, or your dedication itself will be recognized very soon, guys. And patience is what is needed. Maybe you find yourself in a difficult circumstance, unable to be responsible, and circumstances may be challenging you, but patience is what will work for you, guys. And there is a time of recognition coming, and you will surely be rewarded. And maybe for this love you have on someone, you are doing things, facing a lot of challenges and going out of the way and helping that person. Maybe they may not realize your worth, they may not realize your help right now, but true love will find its time, guys. So surely this person will understand you. Maybe even if it is not true love, you will get that true love in your life. Maybe with this person you may not feel that fulfillment and contentment. Maybe for some of you, you will this relationship, maybe if you have that true love on this person, even they will reciprocate that true love, guys, and that time is coming very soon. But for some of you, if you are single, if you are expecting a new person, true love is finding you, and that is that is a definite thing, guys, because you are someone who is responsible and who has that sense of duty, and all your good actions will always be rewarded no matter what, guys, what the circumstances will be. So that recognition, the time of recognition and success is coming to you very soon, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Celestite. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, angels or spirit guides are here to help you and support you, and they are here to help you connect with people. Maybe you are shunning away from relationship, maybe and you are just feeling scared, or you are not ready to face some challenges today. But these spirits or angel spirits or spirit guides are helping you, guiding you today, guys. And maybe there will be these spirit guides are coming in the form of perfect guides or friends who are helping you to heal from the past or whatever difficulty you are having. And you need not isolate yourself, you just need to stretch out to that friendship you are seeing today. Maybe some strangers or some people may come out of the way, ready to guide you in certain things, help you out. And you need to understand that these people are people sent by the universe or spirit guides, and they are here to help you and guide you in some way in your relationship, to enhance your relationship. And maybe if you want a true change, or if you want a help from the universe or this crystal spirit, you can just pray within your hearts, guys. Pray towards that spirit, asking for help and guidance, and that way you will have that answer, or some kind of an intuition will be guiding you. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.